By 2025, the world will be a dramatically different place, marked by an environment of fierce competition. The population will increase by approximately 1 billion. Shifting demographics will continue to put pressure on decreasing natural resources. Organizations will compete for skilled managers and effective leaders across the globe. Innovation and technological change will continue to occur at an exponential pace. From a business perspective, 2025 will be far more complex and demanding. Leading a business enterprise will be no easy task. The best companies will have a clear strategy that is adaptable to rapid, ongoing change. Organizations whose employees are 100% engaged and committed will be more successful than those that simply react to market change. To succeed in 2025, effective and efficient work environments will be the basic norm. Organizations are beginning now to develop leaders and managers who are prepared to address sustainability, lead innovation, and motivate a diverse workforce. 2025 will be marked by a new era of leadership defined by adaptability and resilience. At the University of Texas at Dallas Naveen Jindal School of Management Corporate Education, we partner with organizations to support their leadership and talent development strategies to succeed in 2025. We help organizations identify talent gaps and performance issues. We design and evaluate leadership development solutions to impact performance and profitability. We develop leaders to maximize business performance now, in 2025, and beyond. At Corporate Education, our value proposition lies in our flexibility to partner with organizations in a manner that best fits their leadership development strategies. Based on the breadth and depth of our resources and capabilities, we will lead your entire talent development strategy or play a role in it, depending on your needs. Prepare for tomorrow, today, with Corporate Education at UT Dallas, established to develop leaders to maximize business performance. Be the inspiration. Lead the future.